Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But Shipai % ka Sngewkhia. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Myntri ka Sarkar Jala. Uba kerman shala haka arpsau tarik uyayong arjarpsan ulapan pau ka Sngewkhia halor ka Jing bagi Shipai Border Security Force bat ki Shipai India kimyo Jaka bandang thiet haka Jala Meghalaya. Haba jubab ya ka jinggali uba shala ulong bagi Shipai BSF bat ki Shipai India. Kila kerpat ban penio Jaka khanang bakin dubla ban kenriano na ki Jaka bakham jengai na ki pajba namar ba ka penwet syaba palat haba ki siat shanmari.
Yes, it's a very valid question you have been asked. It might be true also, and it's really alarming for us because we have seen after the incident what happened in Bangladesh with the Prime Minister and all. So that could be one of the reasons that we should be alert when it comes to Meghalaya because we are neighboring with Bangladesh. So this could be a serious for us, and I believe that. Though we are being in the border area, especially the central government, they have taken steps to protect us. But I have only one doubt, and then maybe it's a question to ask, or I don't know how to answer this. We would like to protect our land, but when it comes to give land to the one who will be protecting us, let me mention it direct. When it comes to army, they need a land, the BSF and all. It's quite difficult for them. Last time I remember they were requesting for a land so that they can shift themselves for a firing range because it disturbs the nearby village. So it's difficult for them to get a land. So I don't know how do we accommodate. We want them to be around us to protect us, but we are not giving them a place to stay. Whom to blame? Really, it's quite difficult. This question I have seen and I've heard it from time to time. It's a question to be asked, and then nobody to be blamed, and whom to blame. All of us are, we are the public to decide. But in the end, it's a question to be asked that whether we should go ahead or to get protection, we need somebody here. But where will they stay? There's no land for them. So hopefully one day we will have the right answer for this.